Is this the end of Uber? I hope not. Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. So today's video, I have some mixed emotions because if you guys didn't know, basically Uber just is planning a rally to, okay, little quick debrief on the whole situation that's going on. I'll try to keep this around 30-second debrief. So basically what happened what is happening is that there are now millions of drivers in the United States, and the United States, you know, it's not really set up for freelancers, and by next year over 30% of people will be relying on freelance for full-time income. And so, you know, with our whole healthcare system and how everything works, it's just not set up for freelancers because freelancers don't go to the doctor as much, they don't receive benefits, they have no rights to unionize, they have no set pay, and so financially for our economy, it's just not working, right? I mean, that's just the way our system is set up, you know, naturally speaking. So at first it was fine, you know, Uber and Lyft were extra ways to make money, but now millions, thousands upon thousands, I would say a few 100,000 probably, are relying on Uber and Lyft for full-time income, which raises some serious issues. California is stepping up. The California Assembly wrote a bill saying that Uber and Lyft need to make all of their drivers employees, give them all employee benefits, give them set wage and a right to unionize. And Uber and Lyft responded. The Uber and Lyft came together and said, hey, you know, we do not want this to happen. Let's modernize the law and give drivers increased pay and some employee type benefits, but let's not pass the law. And from what I've heard, the California has not said anything. Basically, the only thing that needs to happen is that the governor needs to pass this, veto it, filibuster it, whatever. He needs to decide what he wants to do with it. So there's two sides to it, the California Assembly and the Senate, which the government needs to pass. And from what I've heard, nothing has really happened. So what Uber just did, Uber sent out these emails, and which I got to sign the petition, to literally petition the government of California not to go through with this. So Uber is like saying, like, yo, we need to act on this now. And now they just sent out an email, I got this today, that says they're launching a rally to protect driver flexibility. And they're hosting a rally, guys, at the state capitol in Sacramento on July 9th. So that's in about 8 or 10 days. The rally will demonstrate to California lawmakers that we value independence and want to see rideshare driving protected. I've honestly never been somewhere where Uber is actually present themselves. Usually it's a strike against Uber. But yeah, here it is. If you want to go, Uber will be there. So it looks like at this point, guys, this is a big sign that Uber knows something that we do not. Uber actually said in a previous article, a previous statement, that saying that if the government forced that Uber and Lyft to make their drivers employees, it would be detrimental to their business model and could possibly not even work. So if this passes, I think Uber is going to shut down in California. And this just shows that they want to rally everyone together to make that not happen. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. I just wanted to throw this update up and just so you guys know really what's going on. This is not clickbait. This is real, guys. Like, this is not a joke. This is really important. I mean, I don't know if you want to be an employee. I don't. There's a reason I quit my job to drive for Uber and Lyft and rideshare in general. So it's pretty nuts. I mean, I'm in California. I will try to go to the rally just to, you know, live stream it, because I always try to give you guys breaking news. But yeah, we'll see. This is nuts. Let me know your thoughts down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye, guys. You're the best. All right, later.